Network Entertainment.
Actually, dati, may suplado shirts tayo dati, no? And ang design, ingat kataka ka pa naman.
Oo.
May nag-message sa akin sa Facebook, Sir, na-HR ako dahil sa t-shirt mo. Kasi kaaway ko yung gwardya.
Oh my gosh.
Nung suot niya yung t-shirt na yon, parang pinatawag siya kasi daw sinumbong ata siya ng gwardya. Pinaparinggan daw. Wala naman siya sinabi. So, yun. Isa sa mga testimonials na hindi alam ng mga
ayos.
Meron tayong lalabas na suplado shirts, pang suplado motors, yung keep distance, marupok to. Mga Immortal, welcome to the Underpaid Podcast. I'm your host, Stanley Chi. Ito ang podcast na pro-employee para sa mga Immortal, wherein we talk about work-related topics in a light manner na parang nagkukwentuhan lang tayo sa pantry. With me is our, syempre, favorite co-host, Zar De Los Reyes.
I'm your only co-host.
Marami akong naging co-host. Pero sa podcast, ikaw ang favorite ko.
Okay. Okay. Compared to your other gigs.
Hindi naman, sa podcast lang.
Sa podcast.
Ito lang naman yung podcast ko eh.
Okay.
Diba? Podcast
Thank you, Stanley.
natin.
Thank you, Stanley.
Well, kumusta na, Zar?
Okay naman. Actually, pagod. Kasi galing tayo sa event, diba?
Marami tayong events this past few weeks and I know na yung mga Immortal dyan na nakikinig, they've been sharing our reels sa Underpaid, sa Suplado Motors.
Yes.
And yung mga personal na ginagawa ko rin. So maraming salamat sa inyo and you've been commenting
thank you so much.
Religiously palagi sa mga episodes namin. So thank you, kayo nagpapaalala sa amin pagka may problema sa audio.
Actually, diba? It's that's very valuable na
very
meron tayong insight from our listeners. That's very helpful. So thank you. If for example, may concern kayo like audio or video baka parang putol, then just let us know.
Actually, sila yung nagsasabi, may timestamp pa nga eh. Sa ganitong time, medyo
data-driven pa.
Kaya nakakatuwa. Mga Immortal, maraming salamat sa inyo.
Okay.
And this episode is very relatable kasi this is gonna be our layoff series.
Yeah,
Hindi
not just an episode, it's like a series.
A series about layoff.
Yeah.
Hindi siya masyadong pinag-uusapan kasi very sensitive.
Yeah, and people don't want to talk about it.
Kasi pag nangyari sa'yo, masakit.
Oo.
Diba? And ito yung the fear nobody talks about.
Yes.
Yung anong pakiramdam pagka na-lay off ka, diba?
Yung yung mga stages ng before that layoff happens or what would be your personal experience about layoff. So it's a very personal topic for a lot of people.
And minsan nakaka-trigger din ng anxiety
or
yung parang madidepress ka. Kasi when you get laid off naman talaga, iisipin mo parang personal.
You always think it's about you. Diba? I mean, it could be about anything. It could be restructuring in a company. It could be about budgets.
Depende
diba?
Yan
Business needs. There's a lot of reasons why a layoff happens. But us, because we're human, we always think that it's very personal, na tayo may problema.
Pinoy kasi tayo. So, kumbaga, minsan pinipersonal natin. Parang, baka ayaw lang sa akin ni ganitong boss or baka for any reason.
Or diba? Politics, right?
Pwedeng ganon. And bago natin simulan yung episode natin, well, Zar, please promote the social media accounts of Underpaid and our personal accounts.
Ayun. So, thank you first for following Underpaid Podcast on Facebook, Instagram, may TikTok din kami, and then upcoming YouTube natin, diba? For the Underpaid Podcast. Thank you for those who are following us. And also, if you haven't followed yet, please follow us there. Also, here on Spotify, if you're listening on Spotify, can you please leave a comment? Can you please leave a rating? That would be really helpful for us. Aside from the Underpaid Podcast, we also have our personal accounts. So, of course, we have at Stanley Chi. Parang isa lang naman yata yung Stanley Chi, no?
Basta i-type nyo, Stanley
at
Chi.
Stanley Chi. And then he is on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. And follow me on LinkedIn. It's Zara de los Reyes 1. I also have my other office PH where I post about career and work. And we also have Suplado Motors. We just came from an event for this car brand.
We have a
Yeah.
car brand na kasama kasi kami sa shoot,
Oo.
embargo, and then ni-launch na yung sasakyan. You can check out Suplado Motors sa YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook para makita
And also
nyo kung ano
comment
kung ano yung video na yon.
And if you've heard about Suplado Motors from this podcast, just comment there and we'll always reply. Also, there's one more thing. If you're interested in any of Stanley Chee's shirts, like meron siyang bagong
Meron
shirt
akong
eh.
collaboration with Spoofs.
Yeah.
3 design yan and may mga upcoming pa in the future.
Ano nakalagay?
Alam niyo naman, uminom kayo ng tang, no? Ito, ingat ka, tanga ka pa naman.
Oo.
I have another, the i-Google mo gago, which is the, Google search engine, and yung Suplado Man. Superman.
Suplado man. Tatlong
Tatlo yun.
design.
Ngayon, 3 pa lang, pero may mga upcoming
Upcoming.
pa. Yung underpaid na collaboration ng Spoofs, meron din.
Ah,
Ngayon ko pa lang
yeah.
yung sinasabi sa inyo, pero meron yan. Oo.
Oh, ingat ka. Tanga ka pa naman.
Mm-mm. Ayun.
May sinabihan ka na ba niyan?
Ay, hindi mo kailangan sabihin. Isuot mo lang yung shirt.
Oo.
At mararamdaman nila. Matatawa muna sila, then they'll realize na parang,
Parang it's
Oo.
speaking to me. Ganon.
ganon.
Mm.
Actually, dati, may Suplado shirts tayo dati, no? And ang design, ingat ka, tanga ka pa naman.
Oo.
May nag-message sa akin sa Facebook, Sir, na-HR ako dahil sa t-shirt mo. Kasi
Oo.
kaaway ko yung gwardya.
Oh my gosh.
Nung suot niya yung t-shirt
Oo.
na yon, parang pinatawag siya kasi daw,
Oo.
sinumbong ata siya ng gwardya.
Ah.
Pinaparinggan daw. Wala naman siya sinabi. So,
Oo.
yun. Isa sa mga testimonials na hindi alam ng mga immortal.
Ayos.
Meron tayong lalabas na Suplado shirts, pang Suplado Motors, yung Keep Distance, marupok to.
When people talk, do you sometimes feel like you can't relate? Like the topic has no relevance to you? I'm Pio Ontiveros, and I've created a space where we welcome different perspectives, look at the facts, the context, and talk about what really matters. Politics, culture, faith, power, current events, anything under the sun, the moon, and the stars. If it shapes how we live, we're talking about it. We need to talk about it, decode it, unbox, unpack. I'm Pio Ontiveros. Let's talk. Listen now on Spotify.
Tsaka may Suplado Motor shirt din tayo.
Oo.
But
Tama.
anyway, we have to talk about the fear that nobody talks about and
Mm-mm.
why layoffs feel personal even when they're not.
Oo.
Diba?
Kasi like a lot of people, they would always think it's about performance. Performance sa work
Actually,
Yeah.
may katotohanan naman.
Mm-mm.
Kung hindi ka effective sa role mo,
Ikaw yung una.
ikaw yung
Yeah.
una eh. Parang hindi naman totoo yung last one in, first one out. Hindi
Yeah.
naman totoo yun eh. Ang pinaka nalilay off talaga, yung hindi nag-gel sa team, yung hindi maka-deliver on
Yeah.
time, yung mga sumasablay palagi, nirereklamo ng mga katrabaho, ganyan. Yung nakikita ng leader o ng manager na ito yung weak link sa grupo natin eh.
Oo. Pero it depende sa circumstances Kasi may mga layoffs. Like for example, if you're part of the tech world, okay, Silicon Valley companies for example, they are not laying off because of performance. They are laying off because of business restructuring, because of AI. Maraming reasons. So, let's not in this day and age, let's not take it personally. Yung mga layoff.
Well,
Kasi there
oo.
was a time that it was about performance.
Well, sana.
The key
Huwag nilang
thing was about
personalin, di ba?
performance. But now, because of the advances in AI, because of restructuring, because of some companies, they would need to look good sa mga investors nila. And sometimes having a layoff would help dun sa stocks nila. and yung earnings call nila para sa mga stockholders. So there are a lot of reasons. So this series is about those parts of getting laid off.
And for us Pinoys, alam ko naman pag nag-lay off, natanggal ka sa trabaho, una sasabihin sa inyo dyan, unang dahilan is nagre-retrench. Hindi sasabihin sa yung totoong dahilan.
Oo.
Kung sasabihin man sa iyo yung totoong dahilan, siguro masama loob sa'yo ng manager mo, galit sa sa'yo, ganyan, or nirereklamo ko talaga. Trabaho yan ng HR.
Oo.
Sila yung, di ba, pagka miniting ka ng HR, may exit interview, or parang sasabihan kayo na magre-retrench tayo ng tao, naapektuhan yung team ninyo, magbabawas tayo. Usually, the manager and the HR will talk to the person, two-on-one.
Yeah.
And yung exit interview, tatanungin nila kung ano yung comments mo, kung ano yung mga reaction mo, ganyan, di ba? And depende na sa inyo kung paano yung sasabihin mo, kung sasabihin ba lahat ng sama ng loob mo sa kumpanya o hindi. Di ba? So,
yeah. So some of the topics that we will be discussing in the layoff series would be yung early signs that a layoff is coming, for example, or how do you cope with getting laid off? Emotionally, financially, mentally. So those are the topics that we will be covering.
Ito kasi yung emotional impact ng yung parang pag matatanggal ka. Pag ikaw empleyado ka, mararamdaman mo kung aalisin ka eh. Number one sign dyan is pinag-iinitan ka ng boss mo. Pangalawa, hindi ka na sinasama sa mga meetings, sa mga importanteng trabaho, di ba?
And it's also part of one of our episodes na
di ba?
Signs na a layoff is coming.
Pangatlo, may GC sila, hindi ka kasama.
Yeah.
Tapos may mga bagong projects na pumapasok. Ikaw, hindi ka masyadong inuutusan kasi nga, nararamdaman mo, parang matatanggal na ako. Parang hindi nyo na ako kailangan. So, ayun.
So, with the layoffs happening right now, kasi lalo na sa Silicon Valley, for example, like last week, Facebook, di ba? Meta, they laid off, I think, ilan ba? Mga 8,000.
Yung Disney nga lang, ang daming
Disney.
Daming
yan,
tinanggal,
yung mga layoff din. So, maraming companies nag-lay off ngayon, especially mga tech companies. So, if you have anxiety, for example, about these layoffs happening in the world globally, then just tune in to the series so that we can walk through it together.
Okay. Meron din, nakaka-apekto rin niya ng confidence eh.
Yeah.
Yung parang yung abilities ko, parang questionin mo yung sarili mo, magaling pa ba ako? Kaya ko pa bang, may tatanggap pa ba sa akin? Lalo na sa mga employees na nasa mid-30s pataas. Tapos bigla nagka-layoff. Minsan may fear na maka-adapt kaya ako sa bagong technology. Lalo na yung mga in their 40s pataas, di ba?
Yes. Parang tayo yun 40s pataas
34 pa lang ako.
I'm sorry. I'm
34
sorry.
pa lang ako. So yung mga iba, medyo kinakabahan sila kasi nga medyo mahirap ang buhay ngayon. Tumataas ang presyo ng mga bilihin, gasolina.
Yeah, you have a family.
Yung mga sudden budget cuts, yun yung mga early signs, di ba? Parang wala tayong budget for this and that. Tapos biglang, yung pangalawa dyan is yung hindi kayo nag-hire ng mga bagong empleyado.
That's right.
May nagre-resign,
walang headcount. Walang backfill.
Ikaw, ano sa tingin mo yung mga iba pang signs?
Yung mga iba pang signs na discuss naman natin dun sa isang episode natin, di ba? Pero overall, very excited for this series.
So, yun. Kung ako sa inyo, mga immortal, tune in to the Underpaid Podcast. We have episodes every Mondays and Thursdays. Siyempre sa Spotify. At if you wanna see the video podcast sa the Pod Network Entertainment's YouTube channel tayo. So, yun.
Yes.
Yun yung mga patikim pa lang.
Yes.
Nung layoff series natin.
Okay.
So there you have it, guys. For Zardos Reyes, I'm your host, Stanley Chi. I hope you guys would like and comment and share the videos and the reels and be more active sa Underpaid because we're planning something big, and in the future we'll have a live recording. We'll invite audiences and we'll have a very, very special guest para sa inyo.
Yeah, and we had a journaling workshop like early this year, so probably it's time to have another event.
Yeah, the live podcast recording dito sa TPN. So mark your calendars. mag-check kayo palagi online. We'll be promoting it soon. So there you have it, guys.
Nice.
For Zardos Reyes, I'm your host, Stanley Chi, and this is the Underpaid Podcast.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.